Set Operations Made Easy, Part 2. In Part 1, we learn what sets are, how to write them, and the different types of sets. But now comes the real power of sets. In this lesson, you'll learn how to combine sets, how to find common elements, and how to visualize everything using diagrams. By the end, you'll be solving real problems like a pro. What happens when we combine sets? What happens when we compare sets? Let's begin. The first operation is called the union. Union of sets, a union B. The union of two sets includes everything from both sets. A union B equals elements in A or B or both. Let's take an example. Set A equals 1, 2, 3. Set B equals 3, 4, 5. Now combine them carefully. Include all elements. But do not repeat duplicates. Result appears. A union B equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Even though 3 appears in both sets, as we expressed in the previous part, we couldn't repeat it. We write it only once. Question. Set A equals A, B, C. Set B equals B, C, D. What is A union B? Answer. A, B, C, D is a union B. A real-life example. Set A equals students who like football. Set B equals students who like basketball. A union B equals students who like football or basketball or both. Intersection A intersection B. Now let's look at something different. What if we only want the common elements? This is called the intersection. A intersection B equals elements in both A and B. Using the same example. Set A equals 1, 2, 3, and dot set B equals 3, 4, 5. Which number is in both sets? Only 3. Result. A intersection B equals 3. Question. Set A equals 2, 4, 6, and set B equals 1, 2, 3, 4. What is A intersection B? Answer. 2, 4. Common mistake warning. Students sometimes include all elements, that is union. Intersection equals only shared elements or elements in both sets. Look the difference of union versus intersection carefully. Difference of sets, A minus B. Now we move to something very important. The difference of sets. A minus B equals elements in A, but not in B. Example. Set A equals 1, 2, 3, and set B equals 3, 4, 5. So, 1, 2, and 3 are element I in set A. Remove elements that appear in B. Since 3 is in both, we remove it. Result. A different B equals 1 and 2. Important note. A minus B is not the same as B minus A. It shows that B minus A equals 4, 5, and a minus B is 1 and 2, so they are not the same. Practice. A equals A, B, C, B equals B, C. Find A minus B. Answer A. Complement of a set. Now let's introduce a new concept. The complement of a set. But first, we need something called a universal set. U equals universal set, everything we consider. The absolute complement, or simply complement of set A means everything in U that is not in A or UA. Example: U equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A equals 1, 2, 3. Complement of set A means universal set minus set A equals 4, 5. Let's illustrate this in a diagram form. The rectangle is a universal set and the circle is for set A. So the shaded part is called the complement of set A. Practice. U equals in a set A, B, C, D, E. And set B equals A, C. So find B complement. Answer: B, D, and E. Venn diagrams. Now let's visualize everything using Venn diagrams. Rectangle universal set. Circle sets. Overlap intersection. Example: A equals 1, 2, 3. B equals 3, 4, 5. Now let us see step by step in a Venn diagram form. Place 3 in overlap. Place 1, 2 in A. Place 4, 5 in B. Now we can easily see A union B all elements. A intersection B overlap. A minus B left side only. On mini exercise, draw a Venn diagram for A equals 2, 4, 6. B equals 4, 6, 8. Answer explanation: overlap 4, 6. A only 2. B only 8. Let's connect this to real life again. Students, set A equals like math. Set B equals like science. Then, A union B like at least one subject. A intersection B like both. A minus B like only math. B minus A like only science. Today you learned union, intersection, difference, complement, Venn diagrams. In part 3, we go even deeper. Subsets, proper subsets. Oh, real exam problems. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe for more mathematics lessons, and share it with someone learning mathematics. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.